Uyu ni waki wa barabara ya Mau uria ukoretwo ugithii na mbere. Barabara iria iratwikaniria kaunti cia Nyandarua, Murang'a, Kiambu na Nyeri iria ni cia kuririkanaga aria marũĩrĩire wiyathi wa bururi. Akiaria hindi ya icera ria kunyabara waki wa barabara ino iria ni ya kilomita 68, murugamiriri wa mihango ya thirikari gicigo-ini gia gatagati wa bururi Wilson Nyagwanga ni ahete aikari mwihoko wati barabara ino ni gukorwo ikirikirira ta uria gubangitwo ona thengia wa mihinga iria ikoretwo ho.
Tutakaa chini tuhakikishe tusaidie contractor ile adeliver hii mradi wakati iliwekwa, kwa sababu hii mradi ni mradi mkubwa na ni legacy ya His Excellency the President, anataka malizo.
Nyagwanga no augite ati kuri na gicunje kinini kia mutitu gigukorwo gikihutio niguo kuhekanya waki wa barabara ino, no akauga ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara Kenha ni rugakorwo rukiriha ruhonge rwa mititu.
Tunataka conserve the environment kwa sababu unaona maneno ya issues of the environmental issues is a global issue. Lazima tuhakikishe kwamba miti imewekwa, na wakati hii barabara inatengenezwa pia Kenya Forest Service lazima watatengeneza program ya kufanya reforestation.
Akiaria ihinda-ini riu, Evans Kinyua uria niwe engineer wa Kenha hari waki wa barabara ino augite thirikari igukorwo ikihuthira ciringi bilioni 3.2 niguo gukinyaniria waki wa barabara ino, na hari kilomita 68, kilomita 17 ni cibitwo na itigitie o gwikirwo rami.
70% of the roads are passing through the forest section. Now we haven't gotten the go ahead to mine or to obtain material within the forest section, and therefore we having to go very long distances, in some cases up to 70 kilometers all the way to Kilimambogo to source gravel material.
Kinyua ni ongereire ati ni megwaka kiguciririo kia agendi kiria gigwitanio na barabara ino ya Mau na macungiririo aikari a kuria barabara ino ikugera makorwo makigunika.
Really had meetings with the Kikuyu Council of Elders to identify areas where that can be done, so that besides the construction of the road, there is something to go into the memory of those people who fought for independence.
Waki wa barabara ino utanyitwo gukorwo ari kiguni kinene kuri aikari a mwena uyu kuona ni ukuhuthia na thabari ciao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.